Manually heat the nozzle to 200 degrees Celsius. Remove the blue thermal cover. Use the hex key. Remove all screws in the fan. Use another smaller hex key. Loosen the two screws on the top of nozzle. No need to remove, prevents loss. Use a spanner. Hold the aluminum block with spanner. Remove the entire heating part vertically downward. Find a socket wrench. Grip the nozzle and rotate it to remove. Remove the white Teflon tube. Find a rod-shaped object with a suitable size that can pass through the iron tube. Clean the iron tube and aluminum block. Manually turn off the heating of nozzle. Find a rod-shaped object with a suitable size that can pass through the white Teflon tube. Clean the Teflon tube. Reinstall all the components back. Ensure that every part fits tightly. Otherwise, make us print black dots or clog nozzle. Tighten the nozzle, then ensure nozzle and aluminum block are pushed to the most top. Then hold them in place while installing the screws above the nozzle. Reinstall the fan. Reinstall the blue thermal cover.